A little higher. Move it down 1 notch. Put it right in the center. One side is higher. Check which holes line up. Line up all 3. Now flip it over and install the middle shelf panel. Measure this distance. The front side is still a little wider. The back side is narrower. This has to be installed correctly. Wait, I think this is installed wrong. The front and back are different. The front and back are the same. They're the same. When installing this spacing needs to face upward. Don't get it wrong. If you do, you'll have to take it back off. You installed this side wrong too. Pay attention to this crossbeam. Don't install it wrong. If you do, you'll have to remove it. As for this hole, it should face upward. This middle crossbeam needs special attention to the hole position during installation. One side faces up, and the front spacing is wider. This side is narrower. On the bottom, the front spacing is wider. Okay, this time it's right. This side needs to be a little wider. The back side here is a little narrower, so the direction of this crossbeam must be installed correctly from left to right. If it's wrong, you'll have to take it off again. This is the bracket for the upper shelf. This is just a test fit, so we're not tightening the screws yet. During the final assembly, you need to tighten these screws too. Next, hang this part. Hang this mounting panel. Just hook it on directly. At the very end, tighten all the screws. Then it's done. One more thing, this part secures the anti-static tabletop panel. After the tabletop is installed, once it's in place, give all the screws a final tightening. Finally, install the tabletop. And that's it. It's not that complicated. That's all there is to it. Give it a shake. Does it move? It shouldn't move, right? Try shaking this metal bar. It's fine.